Hello there everyone. Today I want to show you how to do this flat hat Kumihimo braid. And this is what it looks like. And this is where you have your hat running down on this side. The other side looks like this. You can obviously use that if you want to. Now this is also known as a half round or half flat braid. The reason for that is this side, which I'll call the back side, is quite flat, but then this side is slightly domed. So if you want to learn how to do that, then keep watching. And these are the things that you will need. For this braid you'll need to use your round Kumihimo disc, and then you'll need some cord. In this case I'm using some 2mm satin cord, but you can use whatever cord you want to work with. The length of your cord will need to be about 50 to 60 centimeters to make maybe a bracelet size, but again it all depends on the thickness and type of cord you're using and how long you want your final piece to be. So it's just a guideline really. So get your things together and let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is get all your cords ready, and you want to cut them to about the length that you need. And then you'll need two colours. You'll need two cords of the colour that you want your hats to be. In this case I'm working with the light ones. And then the rest of your cords, you need 10 lengths of that colour. And then you just put all the ends together in one end, and then you just tie a knot. That's just temporary. And what you do is then get your disc out, you put the knot through the middle, and then you want to start placing the cords. And the way to do this is I take my two, in my case the lighter ones, the ones that are going to be the heart basically. I place them at the bottom of my disc with the dot in between, and then I get one of the other cords of the other colour, put it on that side of them, and another one and put it on the other side, like so. So that's the bottom. And then you need to get another two cords to put to one side, so you have the dot in between again on here, and then another two to put on the other side, again with the dot in between. And then you just need to fill the top in. We'll start from the middle, one cord on each side of the dot, like so, and then the other two on the outside of them. So your disc now looks like this. So now you need to actually start making the braid. So you have your disc set up like this with your two cords of the heart colour at the bottom. And then what you need to do is we start with the top and we focus on the two cords in the middle. You grab the one to the right side, so this one, bring it down and to the bottom of the left side, and then you grab the other one from the middle, bring it down over and to the bottom on the right side, like so. So you now have the two cords on top, 3 on each side and 4 on the bottom. And then you want to bring these two in so they become the middle with the dot in between. And the next thing, you want to move to the bottom and basically do the same thing. So from here, again you focus on the middle ones. You grab the left one of the middle, bring it up and over, up to the right side on the top. And then the other one from the middle, bring it up, over, to the left side on the top. So basically, it always goes towards the opposite side of where you took it. And again, now we bring these two into the middle, around the spot. So your disc now looks like this. So what we need to do now is focus on the sides. And basically we'll be doing pretty much the same thing. We'll start with the left side, and again you need to focus on the two middle ones. So you grab the top one of the two middle ones, bring it up, over and down, stay on the left side and the bottom, And then you grab the other one, bring it up over the other way to the top and stay on the left side on here as well. And then bring these two into the middle around the dot. And then on the other side you grab, again focus on the two middle ones, grab the top one of them, bring it up, over and down on the right side here, grab the other one, up, over and to the top on the right side. And again we'll bring these two in. So as you can see, basically we're back to the starting position where we have 4 cords on the top, 4 on the bottom and 2 on each side. The only thing is this colour, that's the heart colour, is now switched places. So I'll show you one more time. Focus on the top first, the two middle cords, take the right one, bring it down over to the left on the bottom on this side. Take the other one, bring it up, over and down to the right side on the bottom. And then bring these two into the middle. And then to the bottom. Again, the two middle cords, you take the left one, bring it up, over onto the right side on the top. And the other one, up, over to the left side on the top. And then again we'll bring them into the middle. So now we're back to having 2 on the top and the bottom and then 4 on the sides. So we now need to move on to the sides. So we grab the top of the middle 2, bring it up, over and down, stay on the left side, and the other one up, over and up and stay on the left side. And then bring these 2 in. And the other side, do the same thing, up, over and down, stay on the right side, and the other one, up, over and up, and again stay on the right side, and bring these 2 in, and again we're now back to the starting position. So this is all you do throughout, you keep going, and the braid will just naturally form. As you'll notice, unlike most braids on the round Kumihimo disc, we're not turning the disc, so we'll just keep it like this throughout. So just keep going like this until you reach the length that you want it to be, or you run out of cord. So I've now gotten a little bit further along, and then what you'll see will start happening, turn it around, your braid will come out of the back, and this is one side, this is kind of, you can call it the back side, you can obviously use this if you want to, but then on the other side is where you get all the little hats. So this is how it's going to end up looking. So you just keep going until you finished it, and that's all there is to it. So I hope you enjoyed that, and thank you very much for watching.